Krishna married 16,108 princesses. Not that he wanted to marry, right? Even Krishna doesn't want. He's actually, in fact, the gopis once went to Durvasa Rishi's ashram near on the eastern side of Yamuna. Vrindavan is on the western side of Yamuna. On the eastern side, Durvasa Rishi's ashram is there. And sometimes gopis, they go for consulting, right? Normally rishis are always there to give you some advice. When you have some problem, then you can go and Durvasa is instructing gopis. Don't think Krishna is your boyfriend. He is the absolute brahmachari. In fact, he is the samam brahmachari. He is the perfect celibate. So, it is not that Krishna has to marry, but you know that there is a story of 16,000 princes. They were actually kidnapped by Narakasura, and he wanted to enjoy that. And Krishna killed Narakasura, liberated the 16,000 princes. And this princess said, we are liberated, but what we are going to do now? So please accept us as your wife. So Krishna accepted all of them. And you see that he built in Dwarka 16,108 palaces for each wife. Right? And once Narada came to see him in Dwarka. So in 16,108 palaces, he saw Krishna simultaneously in all palaces. In some palaces, he is giving charity. In some palaces, he is giving, his kids. In somewhere, he is with his princess, his wives. He is doing. Somewhere, he is giving advice to his ministers. So basically, Narada, when he came to Dwaraka, he saw Krishna is simultaneously present in 16,108 palaces doing different activities. Is that not wonderful? Is that not inconceivable? Okay? This is called inconceivable personality. Please understand, Krishna is a person, but his personality is inconceivable. And we have to hear from the great seers and from the pages of Bhagavatam. This particular Leela that I talked to you is all of them is there in Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam. So I hope that, is that clear to all of you now? Krishna's personality is inconceivable. Okay? Now we will talk about his full yet inexhaustible, which also I have talked to you, but I will go very fast. So this point I have already told you. Krishna is so infinite, from him infinite units you take away. Still what he remains? Infinite, right? I don't want to talk too much about it. One of the examples is this Akshaya Patra. All of you know this story of Akshaya Patra? There is Akshaya Tritiya. Have you heard about Akshaya Tritiya? It's a very famous Hindu festival. Right? Akshaya Tritiya. Normally happens in April, May. Right? And so that is the day when Durvasa was sent by Duryodhana to the hermitage of Pandavas. In fact, those days Pandavas were in exile by the crooked plan of Duryodhana and his entourage. And still, Duryodhana was not happy. He just wanted to vanquish these 5 brothers, somehow or other. So he thought the best way to vanquish them, send Durvasa. And when he sent Durvasa during evening time. And because these people, they were living in the jungle, and they used to have only one time prasad, daytime. The morning they go, they bake something, and Draupadi cooks, and then they take and finish. And evening time, it's very difficult for them. So So knowingly he sent Durvasa along with his 60,000 disciples. Taking care of one person is difficult. 60,000. Of course, Pandavas were Kshatriyas, they were capable of taking care of 60,000 people. It's not so difficult for them. But it is evening time and Draupadi has that patra. This was actually donated by Durvasa himself. Yes, donated by Durvasa, I don't know who was that. Is that Durvasa donated? No. I'm not sure. Anyway, is that pot was there, and in that pot, the hidden secret of that pot is that once Draupadi eats from there, then it cannot feed. Before she eats, she can feed unlimited. That's meaning of Akshara. Means she can feed as many people as she wants once it is cooked. Once it is cooked, she can feed as many people. But once she eats, it's finished. Right? And same thing has happened. And Durvasa and 60,000 people again. And said, Yudhishthir, we are here and we will have dinner at your place. Saying, they all left to the nearby river for Sang Snana, that is bath during the Godri time. Because in our Vedic tradition, 3 Sandhya, morning time, again noon time and evening time. This is 3 Sandhya. And this 3 Sandhya one must take bath. So this is what they did. So they went, and here there is a great headache. Because if they don't feed Durvasa, Durvasa is very, very angry person. If he gives curse, means finished. Alright. And so immediately Draupadi, when she saw the trouble of her husband, what did she do? She remembered Krishna. As soon as she remembered Krishna, it didn't take much time for Krishna to reach from Dwaraka to some hidden place in some jungle. This is what is Krishna. He can be simultaneously. But it is not that when Krishna left Dwaraka and is here in front of Draupadi, means she is not there, he is not there in Dwaraka. He is simultaneously there. He is simultaneously there in Dwaraka, also at this small heart of Draupadi. Is that clear to everyone? And there, when Draupadi told her ideal to Krishna, he said, in your Akshaya Patra, in your pot, cooking pot, see, something must be there and give it to me. If I eat, everybody will be satisfied, don't worry. And then Draupadi said, no, I have eaten everything. Hardly my, husbands are bringing something. I have finished. Now check, even one particle. So Draupadi looked at that pot very nicely, and one just tiny particle of grain was there. And Draupadi removed it and gave it to Krishna. And as soon as Krishna ate it, this is of course a transcendental pastime, there Durvasa and his 60,000 disciples, they fed as if they are full. They didn't feel like even going to Yudhishthir's habitation. In fact, Durvasa made a comment that, wow, we are not feeling hungry anymore. And Yudhishthir is a very capable person, and he has the most capable wife, Draupadi, and she can cook very fast, tens of hundreds of items. And if you go there and we won't eat, it will be very embarrassing for us. Better to flee from this place. Right? So this is when Krishna eats, everybody feels complete. If you satisfy Krishna, everybody is satisfied. That is why Krishna is inexhaustible. Our founder Acharya, my spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada, used to say, often people hanker for Ram Rajya without Lord Ram. They want Ram Rajya, but they don't want Lord Ram. And this is the tyranny. We do not want Krishna, but we want happiness. It's not possible. You want to become happy, you must bring Krishna into your life. That is the secret of happiness. Okay? And Krishna satisfies everyone. Your desire, my desire, everyone's desire is satisfying. Unlimited living beings. Everybody's desire is satisfying. And so, we have talked about it. Krishna manifests his opulence through his internal potency, Atma Maya. That means whenever he wants, he can manifest. And just sitting there, he can manifest new planets without any effort. Okay? He has natural ability to satisfy all. Unlimited jivas enjoy same level of opulence as that of Krishna in the spiritual planets. In spiritual planets, सबके पास इतना है, but they are not attracted to their opulence. They are all attracted to Krishna. Unlimited material planets with unlimited jivas, and Krishna has no problem maintaining them. Within each universe, he manifests spiritual opulence like Polster just to satisfy one jiva called Dhruva. I have already told the story. Then Dhruva performed severe austerities in Madhuvan. Krishna appeared, and when Dhruva saw Krishna, he said, I don't want anything. And Krishna said, no, I will give you. You asked, you begged for, you actually performed severe austerity to please me with a purpose to get a bigger kingdom than your grandfather, great-grandfather, which is Swayambhu Manu. So, I'll give you. And he manifested Polster.